Hello, today I will show again how very cheap and well you can repair Beats Studio or Solo headphones hinge and headband using just Superglue and Baking Soda hack. As you can see, one side of these Beats headphones is broken, and I don't want to spend another $200 buying new headphones that will in the end break too. So I will glue them together and this spot will never break again. Another option is to buy a replacement headband for Beats headphones and replace it. How to do that? Watch my previous video. As you can see, this other side was glued a year ago and still strong like Hulk. As seen, the original side broke, but the glued side is in place. That's why I will also teach you how to glue the headphones so that they no longer break. The first task is to pull out the rubber headband cushion to not interfere with the gluing process. Fasten it at the top of the headband. Now you can see that the headband plastic is broken. Unscrew the small screws with a torque screwdriver to can press more glue inside. If you do not have such a small torque screwdriver, this step can be skipped and try to press the glue along the edge. It is also important to check the headphones before gluing, if they work and the wires are unbroken. Because if the headphones do not sound, the first you need is to fix the wires. At this moment you see why it is good to find such a torque screwdriver. The next step is to protect those headphone parts that you do not want to spoil with glue. Especially the soft AirPod cushions, as then you will need to watch my previous video on how to replace them with new ones. To do this repair process you need to take liquid superglue from your grandmother, then the white powder, grandmother calls it baking soda. The grandmother toothbrush will also be useful, but do not forget to put it back after the repair. Then press the glue in the broken place and push back in the place hinge metal part and screw it on. Then crack a large gap between the metal part and the headband and push the inside gap even more superglue. Pour baking soda on top glue. Wipe off the excess soda with a toothbrush. Press the glue also inside all the gaps and pour baking soda on top. Then wipe off the excess soda. Then take grandmother's foot nail file and smooth out all the superglue and baking soda traces. Brush the dirt that left from filling. Then put back in place rubber cushion and cut off the extra length. Then glue one and then the other side of this headband cushion rubber. Put on a little more superglue on top of baking soda and apply insulation tape, which will improve the look as there will be no visible traces of glue, as well as provide additional strength, and these headphones will last longer than your smartphone. Finally, clean the headphones and that's the result. Now this Beats Studio will have both sides of the headphones glued, and will they last a long time. If you have any questions or suggestions, feel free to write them below this video. Grandma reads all comments and will answer. But for now, we wish you good health and a long life for your headphones.